Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about this thing that how you can do the preparation for your upcoming exams, whether the net exam or the gate exam easily and without worrying about the things, how you can complete your syllabus and the preparation you want to do before the exam in very easy and relaxed manner. So how it will be possible and how you will be doing it. Let's talk about all of that today in this video. So actually guys, I would suggest you to make some levels and the stages of your preparation. One is going to be the basic one, the basic stage of the preparation. Then it's the next one is going to be more advanced, okay? And you can make the levels in them. So, what kind of levels you can make? Like we are going to make the basic stage of preparation, but there also we will be setting the levels. For example, there will be level 1, level 2, and level 3. As we all know, or just level 1 and level 2, it's up to us. Okay, or if you want to include the another one, you can just increase it in the same way how I will be explaining it to you. So the point is, same way here we will have level 1, level 2 and level 3. So I want to talk about this part that okay, you will be going ahead and you will start your preparation and basic and advanced level will be there, because normally it happens that whenever we do some exam preparation and it is if it is the first time you are doing the preparation, it takes too much time for you to understand everything and to go ahead with everything in a systematic manner to do the best preparation. It takes time. It is for everyone. It's not like we are doing something and in first time we can just have a great idea all the time and we can just do it. Okay, so it may take time. How? So basically in the level 1, first of all, in the basic and the advanced level, what will be the difference? We will be making the sections of three subjects. Okay, means you in your basic level 1 you can select, because if I'm going to talk about CSIR net physics exam, we are having total 9 subjects there. So what we can do, we can consider 3 subjects here, 3 subjects here and 3 subjects here. So what will happen in this case? You will be firstly focusing on covering these 3 subjects in your syllabus preparation part. Because if you will look at all the 9 subjects exactly together, you want to prepare, you may have confusion. So once you will prepare the 3 subjects in a way you want to do the preparation, even if you are including some of the topics you like to do or which are having the great chances to be there in the exam, that will be great actually. Because if you are covering in the basic level and level 1 3 subjects from where there are great chances that you can expect the questions in the exam, you are taking those topics there, then it will be making you more confident. Okay, so 3 subjects, and that way, like whatever topics are more important, take consider them and prepare those topics. Even if you want to include more, it's up to you, you can do that. Same way, next 3 subjects. So this way you will follow the 3 subjects preparation and you will do it depending on how much time you are having before your exam. Just distribute the subjects in the days. Okay, but one additional tip here is that every day you have to do the revision, or you have to at least check out whatever you prepared till that day, whether it's 6 subjects, 3 subjects, 2 subjects, 9 subjects, whatever. You have to be regular with the revision part. Revision will be the key to success along with the strategy you are going to follow. Okay, now next thing. Okay, basic level I think everybody has got. Now what about the advanced level? The advanced level will also have those three subjects pairs, or if you want to do some kind of modification, you can surely do that. And from those 3 subjects, what you have to do now, you have to just try to work on some difficult portion. A little bit difficult portion means you have to level up now. And how you can do that? You can check out some standard reference books, like the if we will talk about quantum mechanics, Griffith and Jaitley books, even if you have done the preparation earlier with the notes in the basic level. So you have to level up and solve their problems. Okay, solve the questions from there, take the example questions, take the unsolved questions, and this is how you will work on these parts. This was one example I have taken right now. And once you start working in this way, it will be making the things more clear to you, and it will be making everything like more easy for you to consider too. Okay, so this is how everything can be done and considered. Let me know, like, if you're gonna have any question or query till this point, I can consider it, I can talk about it. But if everything is clear, then that's great. This is what you can do and you can consider. Okay, tell me if you are having any doubt now. And guys, along with this basic and advanced level, the practice question part will be going on, and regular revision should be going on too. Okay, so this will be helping you to easily cover up each and everything and to do the best preparation. I hope you got the great idea. And don't forget to make your formula notebook or concept notebook along with the practice notebook. One notebook, all subjects there, and that's how you will easily be able to revise everything together after preparing those notebooks. Okay, I hope each and everything is clear to everyone now. Also, guys, I would like to tell you about the Unacademy Iconic and Unacademy Plus subscriptions. So even now the notes are available on the learning app, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, use and apply the code, that is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. By using and by applying this code, you will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount. This is about the light subscription. This is going to be the difference between the plus an iconic subscription. Even now the notes are available on the learning app. The light subscription, depending on whichever you find more beneficial for you, you can take that subscription and use and apply the code Anjali A Live to get the discount in the total subscription amount. In upcoming days, so many new courses by the top educators will be starting on Unacademy. So if you don't want to miss these important courses and the classes, you can take the subscription, or even if any of your friends want to start their preparation, let them know about it too. Also, guys, let them know about the referral code, that is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen, so that they will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount as well. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end.